Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll explore how to add descriptions to your items, making them more informative and engaging for your users. To add a description to your item, follow these steps. First, navigate to your selected catalog and open the item page. In the General tab, you'll find fields to edit the title, short description, and description. The short description is visible on the home page when the specific item is added as a button, offering a brief overview. On the other hand, the full description will be seen when the item is opened in detailed view, providing comprehensive information. The description field comes equipped with a powerful HTML text editor. You have multiple formatting options at your disposal. You can choose to edit your text visually or code it manually by clicking the Source button. Here are some of the key features. You can cut, copy, and paste text using standard commands. There are undo and redo buttons for easy correction of mistakes. You can enable spell check by clicking the ABC button to enhance text accuracy. To insert text links, click on the link icon. A pop-up will appear where you can add the link and the text to represent it. Images can be inserted by clicking the image icon. A pop-up will open where you must insert a direct image link for it to display correctly in your text. Be sure your image is appropriately sized to fit the text. You can add graphic elements like tables, break lines, and symbols as needed. Style your text with options like bold, italic, and strike-through. Formatting can be easily removed by clicking the T letter icon. You can insert ordered and unordered lists, as well as quotations. Explore additional text styles and types by selecting from the two drop-downs on the bottom right. As a final reminder, remember to save your progress before viewing changes on the app or closing the window. Adding descriptions to your items enhances their presentation and usability.